To beat the summer heat, today we are preparing 4 easy fruit sorbet recipes. The best part is that these are dairy free, refined sugar free, and you do not even need an ice cream machine to make it. Sorbet are actually healthy frozen desserts, so let's quickly see how to prepare these. Watch this video till the end, and if you liked watching it, please give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai if you're new to our channel. To make mango lime sorbet, we'll take frozen mangoes. So what you need to do is simply cut mango in small pieces and freeze it in a freezer safe bowl. Keep it in freezer for at least 8 hours or keep it overnight. Because we are not using any cream or condensed milk, so in order to make our sorbet smooth, we have to freeze the fruits. So we'll transfer frozen mango pieces in a blender jar. We need to use heavy duty blender jar, or even one can use mixer grinder or food processor to blend our sorbet. So after transferring frozen mango pieces in blender, we'll add lime in it. If you haven't tasted mango with limes, then you should do it. It tastes amazing. We'll add 1/4 cup of honey to add to the sweetness. There it goes. We need to simply blend everything together till we get a smooth and creamy sorbet. Blending is done. Let's check it out. And look at this. Such a smooth and creamy mango lime sorbet is ready. Isn't it looking too tempting, too yummy? We have to transfer the sorbet in a freezer safe bowl and we'll cover it with a lid. Keep it in freezer for at least 2 hours. Mango lime sorbet is ready to serve. This is smooth, creamy and flavorful. Especially the addition of lime to mango has added a distinct flavor to this sorbet, so do try it out. If you are craving for chocolate ice cream, then this sorbet is for you. We'll be using frozen bananas. Here I have cut 3 bananas and freeze it in freezer for 8 hours. We'll transfer frozen banana in a blender jar. Into a frozen bananas, we'll add 2 to 3 teaspoons of unsweetened cocoa powder along with 1/4 cup of honey. That's about it. Now we'll blend it nicely until smooth and creamy. Blending is done. Here you can see smooth and rich texture of our chocolate banana sorbet. Again, we'll transfer it in a freezer safe bowl. Level it up slightly with the back of a spoon and we'll again freeze it for 2 hours. I love this chocolate sorbet, so I could not wait for 2 hours. So it's been only 1 hour and I'm scooping out this chocolatey flavored sorbet. Absolutely yummy. To prepare melon mint sorbet, I'm using my mixer grinder jar, so I will transfer frozen melon pieces into it. To add to the flavor here, I'm using fresh mint leaves. Minty melon is another different and a refreshing flavor which you must try. Along with it, we'll add 1/4 cup of honey in it and simply blend it. Blending is done. So our fresh melon mint sorbet is ready. Just look at this lovely texture. Again, we'll transfer it in a freezer safe bowl, level it up and freeze it for 2 hours. We'll scoop out the sorbet. I'm sure you are liking these lovely natural colors. No preservatives, no added colors, simply pure fruit. For watermelon sorbet, remove seeds from watermelon, dice it into cubes and then freeze it. Here it goes, and then to this we'll add 1/4 cup of honey. Honey is completely optional, and then we'll blend it. Blending is done and our fresh watermelon sorbet is ready. If you like this soft texture, then you can eat it immediately, else you can transfer it in a freezer safe container, freeze it for 2 hours until firm. And here is our another creamy, freshly prepared watermelon sorbet is ready to serve. All our yummy, flavorful sorbet are ready. So whichever fruit you may choose, it is sure to turn out into a delicious, creamy, sweet, homemade fruit sorbet. So this summer, stay cool with these healthy frozen desserts. It's much better than those creamy desserts. So try it out and let me know how does it turn out for you. If you liked watching today's video, please give us a thumbs up, like our video, share our videos with your friends and family, and please do subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.